In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PostgreSQL to n8n. By the end, you'll have a secure database credential ready to use across your workflows, so you can query data, write records, and automate tasks without hard-coding any secrets. First, open your n8n workspace in your browser and sign in. You'll land on the home area where your workflows live. We're not building a workflow yet. We're starting with credentials so that when you do add a PostgreSQL node later, everything connects smoothly. Next, head to the Credentials section from the main navigation. This is where n8n stores encrypted connection details for services like databases, APIs, and cloud tools. Creating a credential here lets you reuse it safely in any workflow without exposing sensitive values in nodes. Click Create Credential. This opens the credential picker so you can choose the type you want to add. There are a lot of integrations available, so using the search bar is the quickest path. Type Post in the search field and select PostgreSQL from the results. You'll see a setup form with the fields n8n needs to reach your database. Start by giving the credential a clear name, something you and your team will recognize later. Then fill in your database connection details. The host, which is the server address, the port, which is typically 5432 unless your database uses a custom port, the database name, and the username and password that have permission to access that database. Keep these values accurate and secure, and avoid pasting secrets anywhere outside the designated fields. If your database requires encryption, enable SSL or TLS in the options. Managed database providers often expect SSL to be on. Some may require a specific certificate configuration. If you're unsure, check your provider's connection requirements or ask your admin which settings to apply. Many setups also support using a single connection string. Instead of separate fields, use whichever format your organization prefers and your n8n plan supports. When everything looks correct, save the credential. n8n will store it securely and list it alongside your other connections. From now on, whenever you add a PostgreSQL node to a workflow, you can simply choose this credential from the dropdown and skip re-entering details. If you run into connection issues later, double-check the host, port, and database name. Confirm the username has the right permissions, and make sure your database allows connections from your n8n environment with the correct SSL settings. That's it. Your PostgreSQL connection is ready for use in n8n.